Here you might be able to see that they are more in mating mode. Good morning. Today, Monday. So for those of you who have not been here before, my name is Luisa and I am starting my research lab in the Lemu, and I want to start it with, let me just put you here, oopsie. Yeah, I want to start a lab which is going to do research in bacterial toxins. Not all of them, only the ones made out of protein. And yeah, and I want to do it at the same time using the principles of openscience, which is a little bit unusual from the normal one, but we're getting there. Yeah, and I tell you my stories, and you're here because you're maybe interested to know how everything works, so I'm happy to tell you. And now I have to get my coffee. I haven't had coffee. Oh no, I did have coffee, but it has not got into my brain. Yeah, today I'm a little bit later than normal. I had something to do early in the morning, but now I'm here. And today, if you have not seen from last week, the video, yeah, I'm starting a collaboration with a company because I'm having trouble to get quantitative data from one of the behaviors of Tetrahymena, thermophila, which is our model organism. And they think that they might be able to help us with their machine. So what I'm going to be doing this week is doing the pilot experiments with a special container that will restrict the movement of the Tetrahymena or Tetrahymena, how is it said in English? It will restrict the movement in the y-axis or in the height, because the method that this machine uses is based on imaging. And you know, like with a camera, the focus can get off. So they do have a range where they can work with the images, but we have to see which range works for their machine with our little ones moving so fast. So yeah, and last Friday I took them out of stasis, and today I have to see how they grow, and so that I can get them in the mood that they have to get for them to mate. Reading emails, making again coffee, and yeah, and seeing what else I need to do apart from the typical classes. I'll report to you what the little ones did during the weekend, if they behaved, and yeah, see you later, okay? Bye. I'm lacking any motivation to do the comparison of chemicals between the medical students and the dentist class. I suppose these things still happen. Time for the lab. First thing, in the microscope. Let's check the C's. And the B's are okay as well. Actually, they are more active than the C's. Weird. For today, I'm going to say bye because I need to concentrate on the course. I have already the outlines and I'm working on the slides, new slides Yeah, so I wish you a nice day, a nice evening, and see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. Tuesday starts, and I'll be working again on the course from the dentists. Yeah, and probably I will have a meeting with the collaboration in Colombia so that we can agree what steps we have to do for the application. And yeah, that's about it. So I'll tell you more later as soon as I know all the emails. That's for now. Okay, bye-bye. The first part of the disinfections liquids or material, it's called Desinfektionsmittel in German. That part is almost done. I'm missing 2 chemicals. So that will be the first hour of the students. The Git course is getting close. So we are organizing all the material that we're going to give to the people who are participating. That's about the update for now. I have another meeting for the Colombia project in about 10 minutes. And after that I will finish everything, and I hope I'll be ready for the first hour for the dentists. So yeah, I think I will close for today, and I wish you all a nice day and see you tomorrow. Okay, bye. So Wednesday, today I'll be meeting with the students from the other lab, my collaborator group. We're going to be talking and planning about the project. That's the one that the BMBF grant is supporting. And we will have today a little talk, and most of it is to see each other after vacation. It's nice to know what they're doing, how the vacation time was, and yeah, just keep in contact. And the big start or kick-off meeting, we will do it in October so that the whole team gets to know each other. And I mean, basically that Tanya gets to know the rest of the team because we already know each other. Yeah, and the little ones, we have to take care of the little ones today. They need food so that tomorrow we can put them in the romantic mood for mating. So now I can say I'm done for today. I close here the vlog for today, and I have to keep going with my course, but while the computer is updating, then should be fine. Okay, good. So have a great day and see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. So the routine of every day. Oops, let's look to some light here. So today is Thursday. Today I have to put the little ones in starving media. So yeah, it's going to be. I hope the cells are okay. Yesterday they were happy and they were full. So today we have the cells to starve them for little ones. They have to start to get in the mood of mating, and then hopefully, if my students kept the strains labeled correctly, we will be able to make them tomorrow. Yesterday I wrote the protocol, and you will be seeing it now, where I write. So this protocol is based on, I did a modification with you guys. So basically what I'm putting it is kind of like a mini pre-registration way to document the protocols. I noticed yesterday that there is not a clear space for the procedure or the standardized protocols, which I think I should put. So I have to modify that. But apart from that, the protocol is written, and yeah, today we will see. The same as always, course is taking me forever. The whole issue or the whole problem, no, the whole challenge of the course is that until this year they made it obligatory to teach about disinfectant or disinfection agents, which makes sense. The problem is there are, I think, over 20 compounds that they have to learn, and that means I have to learn it, and I have to learn it better than anyone for me to be able to tell them what is really important or not. So I've been looking at publications and reports from they're called, like, they are organizations that kind of regulate what you can do or not in certain professions, and the dentists are no exception. So they have by state, they have like this, they're called Zahnärztekammer, and each state has its own recommendations, and I've been looking at them just to have an overview of what is being used or recommended. So that's basically the challenge of the whole issue when you have to teach them, because I need to prepare them for what is coming. I mean, if they're going to if they open a practice, they have to know which chemicals have been banned, for example, in the last 20 years, which are a couple of them, and the newest publications, what things should not you be using, because apparently it was a bad recommendation, and the reports keep piling up about the toxicity of certain disinfectant agents. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. So that's why it's taking forever. It's not like I'm lazy about it. It's just, I've been trying to do it as good as I can. So yeah. So now I drink my coffee, look at the emails, and I talk to you guys later, okay? Bye. So back in the lab. I'm going to start now with the starving. For some reason, when they don't have enough food and there is some kind of, I think, a little bit of stress on the kind of like osmosis, some kind of stress and lack of food, they get into the mood of mating. So that's what I'm going to do now. And I need a couple of buffers. I have to see if I have them, if I have enough of them, and yeah, and then I show you all what we have to do and how fast I have to be, because they are so good swimmers that they don't stay in the same place. Okay, good. See you later. There they are. So now they have to starve overnight, and I have to write all my notes. See you tomorrow, I think. Good morning. My routine today is a little bit different because I have to get the mating. It's the first thing that I have to do today, and that means that my coffee has to wait for a little while. I will show you the mating. Is just put the cells together and hope for the best, that they are in a good mood and that they will find each other, start to dance with each other. I will try to see, oopsie, wait. I will try to get images or like, okay, so these guys are in, like, trying to figure out will they mate or not. You see them here? And these guys, they are almost there to start to mate. Oh, those that they were, oh no, they're still dancing. But that's kind of like how they look like when they're starting to get ready for mating. here you might be able to see that they are more in mating mode. I think I will take these ones. The funny thing is the same cells but in lower volume, they are not mating. Look. Some of the mating ones are still mating, so they survive the pipetting, but they are swimming a lot. I think it's not going to work. The EVD slides, there are very few ones, although some of them still show mating behavior. Let's see if we can put these two guys are dancing there. Yeah, there. You see them? And these guys as well. So there are not many here. And as we said before, high density is not that good. So let's see how it looks compared with the ones on the plate. So I think you appreciate that here there are more that are mating than the ones that are not mating. I would say, yeah, that's the problem. I have to kind of like think that they're like 50-60%, and some of them are still dancing. So yeah, that's the problem. So it's going to be a challenge. I have to send the images to the FIO team and see they know their machine better, so they can appreciate the limits or the challenges better than I can. I will put some images if there's something interesting. If not, I think for today we're done. I wish you all a nice weekend and see you next week. And please do not forget to subscribe. It helps us a lot. Okay, good. Bye.